Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy SPX6900 on MetaMask. Alright, so how can you simply go about this? Your first step would be to open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com. Link would be in the description of the video. Alright, so once on coinmarketcap.com, all you need to do now is simply scroll till you find its Ethereum contract address. Now this token is an Ethereum token, and as such we're going to need its contract address to be able to find it on any DEX. And in order to locate the DEX that we're going to be using for this video, we're going to be working with the Uniswap version 2 or Uniswap version 3 in order to trade this token. So that's how we can simply buy it, by using the DEX. So you can simply scroll to the bottom, select DEX, and you'd find Uniswap as one of the DEXs that we can use. So simply minimize and open up a Web3 wallet. In this case, we're going to be working with MetaMask Web3 wallet. So we're going to be using this wallet for this video. So all you need to do now is simply open up MetaMask. Once you've opened up MetaMask, make sure you're on the Ethereum network. So at the top left corner, you have your network toggle. Click on this drop down and select the Ethereum main network. So we're going to be working with the Ethereum mainnet. And once you've opened up Ethereum mainnet, we have the Ethereum token. So make sure you have some Ethereum tokens on your wallet. If you do not, simply click on Ethereum and select the buy option to simply buy some Ethereum. So click on the buy option here and then simply enter your credit card or your debit card details in order to purchase some Ethereum for this transaction. All right, so once you've gotten yourself some Ethereum, your next step would be to head over to the browser section at the bottom right corner of your screen. At the top of your screen, click on chainlist.org, remove this, and simply search for Uniswap. So click on app.uniswap.org. And once this site has opened up, all you need to do now is simply click on connect your wallet, select MetaMask, click on connect, and boom, our wallet has been successfully connected. So your next step would be to, in place of selling Ethereum, your next step would be to, where we have sell Ethereum and buy, you're going to be clicking on the buy option here. And where we have search tokens, simply click and hold and paste the contract address we had copied for the SPX6900. Click on this token, enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to swap into the SPX token. And now all you need to do is simply click on swap and the transaction is completed. Alright guys, and that's how you can easily buy the SPX6900 on your MetaMask wallet. Comment down below if you have a question concerning how we could go about any of this and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.